Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dollar Shave Club blades is probably one of the most talked about men's grooming products in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a fantastic balance of quality, affordability, and convenience, making them a popular choice for those seeking a superior shaving experience without breaking the bank. But do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll put Dollar Shave Club's executive blades to the test, examining their sharpness, durability, and overall performance to see if they truly deliver a premium shave. Number 5. Dollar Shave Club Shave Set. Get ready for an amazing shaving experience. This set has everything you need for a smooth, comfortable shave every time. It includes 4 razor refills with 4 precision-cut, stainless steel blades. These blades are designed for easy rinsing, even if you don't shave every day. The razor boasts a no-slip handle with a 360-degree diamond grip, ensuring a comfortable and controlled shave. Experience the rich lather of our shave cream. It's easy to spread, easy to rinse, and leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's designed for a close, comfortable shave, perfect for face and body. We believe everyone deserves a high-quality shave without the fuss. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Try it and see the difference. What we like. This shave set is perfect for those with longer hair or who don't shave every day. Its easy rinsing design and hydrating shave cream make for a comfortable shave, even if you're not a daily shaver. If you prioritize ease of use and a comfortable shave, this is the set for you. What people say. The razors are awesome with a clean close shave. Razors are very sharp and durable, and I love the replaceable heads. The Dollar Shave Club 4-blade razor set offers an incredibly close and smooth shave. The 4 blades effortlessly glide across the skin, removing hair with precision and minimizing the need for multiple passes. The diamond grip club razor handle is a standout feature of this set. Its easy-to-grip design provides excellent control and maneuverability, ensuring a comfortable and steady shave. Number 4. Dollar Shave Club Shave Set. Get ready for an exceptional shave experience. This set includes everything you need for a smooth, comfortable shave every time. Inside, you'll find 4 razor refills, a durable handle, and a luxurious shave cream. It's everything you need for a great shave. Each cartridge boasts 6 stainless steel blades, designed to provide an incredibly close shave without irritation. Experience the difference. The handle features a no-slip grip for superior control and comfort. It's designed for a confident shave, no matter your technique. Our shave cream is specially formulated for a smooth, comfortable shave. Its rich, hydrating formula ensures a close shave without the irritation. We believe everyone deserves a high-quality shave. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. Get an extra close shave with this 6-blade razor. The hydrating cream ensures a comfortable experience, even with a closer shave. If you're looking for the closest shave possible, this is the one for you. What people say. The blade is good, the butter lets it slide like a dream, the quality is superb. I love the feel of the razor blades. It works wonders. Nice and simple cuts every time. I don't get cut and my skin is so smooth. Also, the shaving butter is so good and it makes your skin feel nice and fresh. Using this brand now forever. Number 3. Dollar Shave Club 6-blade razor. Upgrade your shave with our 6-blade cartridges. Experience a closer, more comfortable shave than ever before. These cartridges feature 6 stainless steel blades for precision. Get the closest shave possible, effortlessly. It also includes a built-in trimmer for those hard-to-reach areas. Achieve the perfect shave every time. The flexible head and lubricating strip ensure smooth gliding across your skin. Enjoy a comfortable and irritation-free shave. Whether you shave daily or have shorter hair, it's designed for you. It's the ultimate solution for a superior shave. Enhance your experience with our shave butter and post-shave cream. Take your shave to the next level of comfort. We offer everything you need for the perfect shave. Welcome to the club. What we like. These refill cartridges are perfect if you already own a Dollar Shave Club handle. They provide an extra close shave, thanks to their 6 blades. If you're a frequent shaver and need extra blades, this is a great option. What people say. These are durable, easy to change the blade cartridges, very sharp. Even though I just trim my beard, 1 year on one blade is pretty good. These are very good blades on your skin. Number 2. Dollar Shave Club Razor Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate shave with our starter kit. It includes everything you need for a smooth, comfortable shave, no matter your hair type. This kit lets you try both our 4-blade and 6-blade cartridges. The 4-blade is perfect for everyday use, while the 6-blade delivers an extra close shave. It features a sturdy, comfortable handle designed for optimal grip and control, ensuring a precise shave every time. No more slips or slides. Our 4-blade cartridge provides a close shave that lasts, while the 6-blade tackles even the toughest hair. Find your perfect match. Voted Best Razor by Men's Health Grooming Awards in 2021. Experience the difference for yourself. Enhance your shaving experience with our shave butter and post-shave cream for incredible smoothness. We've got you covered. Dollar Shave Club offers a complete line of men's grooming products to meet all your shaving needs. Join the club and elevate your shave. What we like. This mixed starter set lets you try both our 4 and 6-blade cartridges. It's a great way to find which blade count works best for you. If you're unsure which blade count you prefer, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Quality is super, touch and feel is premium in this price range. I have been using Dollar Shave Club razors going back to when the company first started. I've always used 4-blade cartridges but thought I'd give 6-blade cartridges a try. I'll never go back. These 6-blade cartridges give me the cleanest, smoothest shave I have ever had. A great product. The handle and 2 blades came in the pack, 1 4-blade and 1 6-blade. Number 1. Dollar Shave Club 6-blade razor. Get ready for an incredibly close shave. This razor starter set includes everything you need for a smooth, comfortable experience. Inside, you'll find a durable handle and 2 6-blade cartridges. It's designed for a superior shave, every time. With 6 stainless steel blades and a built-in trimmer, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest stubble. Experience precision like never before. The diamond-patterned grip ensures a comfortable and controlled shave, no matter your shaving style. It's designed to feel great in your hand. Whether you shave frequently or have shorter hair, it's the perfect tool for an extra close shave. It's versatile and reliable. Complete your routine with our shave butter and post-shave cream for the ultimate smooth finish. It's the perfect finishing touch. Dollar Shave Club offers a complete line of men's grooming products. Join the club and experience the difference. What we like. This starter set gives you everything you need to start shaving with our 6-blade razor. The grippy handle ensures a comfortable and controlled shave. If you're new to Dollar Shave Club or need a new razor, this is a great starting point. What people say. These last my husband so long. Just did my second shave with this razor. Fantastic close shave. I am very impressed. These have 6 blades as compared to Harry's that only has 4. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.